This guy was driving in Toronto, Canada, when a van driver started drifting into his lane, so he honked, and that really set them off. The driver of the van goes crazy. And excuse my bad voice, I have a pretty bad cough, so I apologize for that. But the van driver goes absolutely psycho, and is gonna chase down the dashcam driver. And I'm telling you, Canadians like their road rage as much as anyone else. There's 3 people in that van, and I don't know if they're like working for a company, because that looks like a work van. The driver gets out and slaps on the dashcam driver's car. He's actually quite upset that the dashcam driver didn't want to stop. This is all over a honk, by the way. Literally just one honk set this guy off. And he chases him down even more, blocks him in, and then gets out for yet another confrontation. What a reckless jerk. If they are working for a company, hopefully they all got fired. But the dashcam driver drives away. He doesn't want a confrontation, and I don't blame him. This is the smart thing to do during road rage. He's obviously upset. He gave the same kind of reaction as the first time. Let's look at the first time. So he does the exact same thing. He acts like it's an inconvenience, so the dashcam driver drove away. Same thing again.